Hey guys, I'm Shraddha. Welcome to my channel. So if you guys know me for a while, you know how much I'm into fragrances, perfumes and smelling good and all that stuff. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all 5 fragrances which are under rupees 500. They smell good, they're of different categories, and at the same time they last for like a really good amount of time. So yeah guys, if you want to know what they are, then keep. So guys, coming to the first one, it is actually this one. This is called as the Color V in the variant pink or pink. I'm sure there is purple or purple, red or red if I'm not wrong. I have the pink or pink variant. Coming to the fragrances, it has a really nice floral tone, which a little bit of vanilla undertone and a bit of musk in it. Coming to the longevity, it lasts for like a good 3 to 5 hours. I have the perfume variant of it, but I have seen the deodorant variant of it on Amazon. I also have the deodorant variant, but I don't have it right now. So, but I just wanted to include this into the video because it smells so good. It smells so fresh. It feels like you've just come out of a flower garden. I mean, you're a flower. So yeah, it has a really good, not very strong, not very subtle, but somewhere in the middle, good fragrance, which most of the people will enjoy. So yeah, this is my first recommendation. Coming to the next one, it is actually this little mini roll-on. This is the Embark in the variant My Dream. Actually, this is like a roll-on. You just need to roll it on your wrists, and oh my god, I can literally die for this fragrance. I'm sure it retails around 250 to 300 rupees. I actually lost the outer packaging of it, so this is what we have. I'm not sure if this is available online. If I get, I'll make sure to place the link down in the description box below, so check it out. I actually got it from Shoppers Stop. You know, when you go to get your bill done, and you know there are random stuff there and you just want to pick everything up. That is how I actually picked it up. But coming to the fragrance, oh my god, it is exactly my taste. It is super strong musky fragrance. No floral, no fruity, nothing, straight on musky fragrance. It's super strong. And coming to the lastivity, it lasts for almost an entire day according to me, like on my wrists. Of course, you know, the fragrance won't come out after like 3 to 4 hours, but on you it's gonna, when you can smell yourself, you know, it can last for about good 8 hours. So it's a really good perfume, and it is so cute and tiny. You know, you can just throw it in your bag, and you know, you can apply it whenever, wherever, however you want it. Just go to the washroom, do it, and come back. So yeah, coming to the next one, I've mentioned it in my previous some video as well. It is the Ramson's Your Lovely Eau de Parfum. This is how it looks like. This retails for only 140 rupees, and I'm sure most of the time it is on sale. So yeah, it is like one of the best perfumes I own. For the price we pay for it and the quantity we get, everything is like so worth the money, and literally everything. It lasts for good 5 to 8 hours, and it again has a really nice musky fragrance to it. Again, it's a little bit on a stronger side, and it lasts all day long. Again, you can just slip it in your bag. I don't know, like there's literally everything good about it, and I even mentioned it in my under rupees 500 video. So if you haven't watched it, I'll place the link down in the description box below so that you can know more about it. Overall, it's a really nice musky, good lasting, under budget, all the adjectives I can use to describe this perfume are these. So yeah, give it a. Coming to the next one, of course, it is the Layers Water Girl. This is how it looks like. This perfume has been used and abused. I've been using it for a really long time. Why isn't it finished yet? This is kind of like a sentimental perfume for me, and I actually lost it. So I finally found it. So there's a little story behind it. I'm not sure if you want to hear, but I'll still tell you. So this was gifted to me by my friend Priyanka. So I really like this perfume, firstly because it smells so good. It lasts for a really good amount of time, but it is kind of sentimental to me because, you know, I feel like whenever I wear this and go to my exams, I write them well, and I actually kind of lost it from past 3 years, and since all of my engineering exams have not gone that well, and let's not talk about it, but personally I really love this fragrance. It lasts for like a whole day, you know. Again, the same way, I'm not sure if Actually, no, other people can actually smell it. So yeah, it lasts for a really good amount of time. Again, you need not spray it on your entire body, just on the high points, on the pulse points, and it's gonna stay. If you're gonna spray it on your clothes, no, it won't. So yeah, it's a good fragrance and it retails for 225 rupees if I'm not wrong. I'm not sure if the price has increased or anything like that, but yeah, this is the one and I'm only saving it up for my exams. Hopefully this time when I actually wear it, I'll score something nice, hopefully. Coming to the next, this is the Yardley London's deodorant. This is how it looks like. Oh my god, guys, personally I'm a super musky person, but I don't hate it, but at least I'm not really a fan of like a rose smell. But this thing, oh my god, it smells so heavenly. Again, it lasts for the entire day, so budget friendly. This retails for 199 rupees only. I used this for over 2 years. Again, this was gifted to me by my friend called Himaja. Really love it. I tried the jasmine variant of it. I like it, but not really a fan of it. But this one, oh my god, it is so good. I love it so much. It lasts, okay, let me talk about the features. It lasts for almost 8 hours. The smell, you know, wherever you go, it's going to leave its impression there. And yeah, it's budget friendly. What else do you need? Again, it's a deo, so you can spritz it all over your body or on your clothes. Not a lot, keep that in mind. But yeah, it's a very good perfume or deodorant. Coming to the next one, it is the Nike's extreme long lasting in the fragrance pure, I'm guessing. This is how it looks like, and this retails for 249 rupees. Coming to the fragrance, it has a really light vanilla floral fragrance. It's super subtle fragrance, but at the same time, you know, you want to smell nicely. This is the one you can go to. I actually have a story behind everything. I think I actually got this on my freshers. I was Miss Enthusiastic, so they gifted me this one because I won that title. So yeah, this is how I got this one, but it smells so good. I feel like, now that I'm thinking of it, I feel like I spend most of the money on mists rather than deodorants, and deodorants usually are gifted to me. But oh my god, they smell so good. Actually, I'm thinking I have to invest more on deodorants, and I love deodorants. Like, you know, deodorants are those safe things for me because I buy mists, but I'm a little conjuice on spending them. I know I'm a little weird, but deodorants, oh my god, they last for a really good amount of time. You can wear it, and you know, it's very comfortable. And you know, some people even have like a sensitive skin, so you can use deodorants on your clothes and everything. So yeah, if you like a really nice subtle fragrance, and yeah, it lasts for like 5 hours, I can say, not more than that like the other ones. But it's a very subtle fragrance. Come on, what do you expect? I know most people get headaches and you know, stuff like that if they use like a super strong fragrance. So yeah, you can go for this one because it lasts for a good amount of time. Super subtle, nose friendly if that's a thing, and yeah, everything good. This video was about 5 fragrances and we have already completed 6, and I just wanted to add another one. This is the Engage perfume. This is how it looks like. Oh my god. Guys, if you haven't had a bath in 1 day, not more than that, you can use this one. Oh my god, I'm not that person. I cannot live without having bath twice a day, but I'm just saying, you know, just saying. So talking about this one, oh my god, especially this variant. This is in the variant Tease. Oh my god, I think this is my second bottle, and yeah, there's a story behind this as well. I'm not even, at this point, I'm not even sure if you guys are interested in my stories, but yeah. So this particular one, oh my god, it smells so fresh. If someone has to define the term fresh, I think I would describe it by this perfume. It smells so fresh. It has that nice not the bad citrusy pukish kind of smell, but it has like nice citrusy smell. My phone's ringing. So if you want like a really nice, super fresh smelling perfume and which lasts for like good, it says it lasts for 24 hours, but I don't think so it does. But guys, you know, I think it does. But you know, whenever I spray this on my clothes and you know, even after washing it, I feel like the smell still remains on my clothes, so it lasts for a really good amount of time, and the fragrance is to die for. You know, if you go near a person who wears this, no matter if they had bath, if they didn't have bath, no matter what it is, you're gonna feel that they are fresh. You know, it's just a very fresh fragrance. That is how I want to describe it. This retails for like what, 175 rupees. Don't buy all of that, buy only this if you want to smell fresh all the time. It lasts for a good time, budget friendly, good looking, yellow cute packaging, and yeah, all good things. And yeah, if you're still here and interested in the story, there's no story actually. My friend Priyanka again was actually wearing it to school, and I was very sleepy that day. And you know, she wore this deodorant and came to school, and it was smelling so fresh that you know, I just woke up from this from all the dizziness and everything. And yeah, the next day I purchased it. So yeah, this is the story behind this perfume. I really hope you liked all the stories behind most of the perfumes at least. So yeah, so that is all for today's video, guys. I really hope you guys have enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel because that would mean the absolute world to me. And do let me know down in the comment section below what is your favorite deo, or if you have tried any of these, or if you like anything else. I would be happy to know and try that one out, and I could probably add the story in my next recommendations video. Oh my god, that would be so much fun. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.